So, a picture's been doing the rounds on Facebook about how Real Madrid have won 13 UCL, AC Milan are next with 7 UCL. That's a big difference between Madrid and AC Milan. Liverpool have won 6 UCL. Bayern Munich have won 6 UCL now. They're close to catching up. Cristiano Ronaldo has won 5 UCL. Barcelona have won 5 UCL. So that's some stat for Cristiano Ronaldo to be up there with 5 UCLs. Chelsea are considering offering Tammy Abraham plus cash for Erling Haaland. As you all know, Chelsea are really busy in the market this year again, and they want to bring in Erling Haaland at any cost. And now they are planning that they will get Tammy Abraham in a swap deal plus some cash, because the fee that Borussia Dortmund has put on Erling Haaland's head is more than 150 million pounds. So they value Tammy Abraham at close to 40 million pounds. So that would be a good move if it happens. Chelsea desperately need a striker. Although Timo Werner, Havertz and Mason Mount, all three together, have found a good front three, but somebody like a Haaland would be, an upgrade to the guys, to the likes of Havertz and Timo Werner, because Haaland already looks like a finished product. And if he can only get better, then you don't know where he might end up. Tammy Abraham obviously is not as good as Haaland. Haaland is still younger than Abraham. Abraham was barely used last season, and Tuchel clearly doesn't favor the Englishman. There's a fun fact that when Cyprus play Russia, the three-letter abbreviation of both teams spells out Cyprus, and the letters that weren't used spells out Russia. Edu has an ambitious plan for Arsenal. The deal for Emiliano Buendia did not work out quite the way they wanted, with Aston Villa reportedly hijacking that move. Now Arsenal are still in the market for a central attacking midfielder, a goalkeeper, a left back, a right back, and a central midfielder. They're looking to get Andre Onana from Ajax for a fee around £7 million. The Cameroon keeper is in the final year of his contract, and Bernd Leno is open to an exit. Leno is not being favoured by Arteta this season, and last season he was not favoured by Arteta. And although Leno is a good keeper, but Onana might be slightly better. Onana will not be playing immediately, even if he does transfer, because he's serving a ban. Another player who Arsenal are looking at in defence is Lille's right back Mehmet Zeki Çelik. Now they have some competition for Çelik, because a lot of teams are after Çelik. They have guys like Cedric and Callum Chambers at the right back position. Hector Bellerin is likely to leave, so that's one position they might look to strengthen. Kieran Tierney will remain the first choice left back, with Gabriel and Rob Holding as a first choice centre back pairing, with Pablo Mari and William Saliba as the standbys. In central midfield, Arsenal are targeting Luis Bissouma and Ruben Neves to partner Thomas Partey. As we have discussed earlier, Neves and Bissouma both would be a really good addition to this team, with Granit Xhaka, Matteo Guendouzi and Lucas Torreira all looking likely they will exit. Arsenal are also looking to sign Martin Odegaard from Real Madrid as a replacement for Buendia, who they could not sign. So it looks like if things go according to plan, Arsenal might have a really good team, but it remains to be seen what will happen.